Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to take you on a delicious journey into the future. Get ready to discover the revolutionary healthy comfort foods of 2024. Our first dish is a game-changer cauliflower pizza. Say goodbye to the guilt of traditional pizza and indulge in this low-carb, gluten-free delight. Topped with fresh veggies and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast, it's a guilt-free pleasure that will leave your taste buds satisfied. Next up, we have palak pesto pasta. Say hello to a whole new twist on your favorite comfort food. This vibrant green pasta is packed with nutrients and flavor. Blended spinach, walnuts and basil create a creamy pesto sauce that will make your taste buds dance. For a breakfast treat, we have avocado banana pancakes. Yes, you heard that right, avocados in your pancakes. This amazing combination of creamy avocado and sweet banana creates a fluffy and nutritious stack of pancakes that will have you coming back for seconds. And how about some sweet potato nachos? Loaded with fiber and vitamins, these crispy, oven-baked sweet potato chips are topped with hearty black beans, melted cheese, and fresh salsa. It's a guilt-free way to satisfy your late-night cravings. Finally, we have a mouth-watering dessert, chocolate avocado mousse. Rich, velvety, and oh so healthy. This creamy mousse combines the goodness of avocados with dark chocolate to create a guilt-free indulgence. It's a dessert that will leave you satisfied without the regrets. So, there you have it, the revolutionary healthy comfort foods of 2024. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the future of healthy eating. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing recipes like these. Thanks for watching.